Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, anong meron sa inyo today, no? So, yeah, another reading na naman tayo for the sign ng fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? So, kamusta kayo dyan mga fire signs natin dyan, no? So, let's see anong sitwasyon meron sa inyo ng iyong person in separation man or with connection pa, no? So, in the present, no? So, and then, of course, message or advice for you ni universe, no? So, tignan natin mga fire signs, no? Kuha tayo dito ng 3 cards for you para sa sitwasyon ninyo ng iyong person right now, no? Tignan natin, kuha tayo. So, medyo mahirap lang kumuha ngayon, no? Dikit-dikit yung mga cards, no? So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, fire sign, no? So, ano kayang sitwasyon ng mga fire signs natin right now? Yeah. So, let's see. Ano to? So, meron agad tayong ganito. No? So, you have this flirting with others, not serious. No? So, for some of you, one of you is still flirting. No? So, not serious, no? Not being serious with your relationship, no? Maybe ikaw ito fire sign or your person, no? So, vice versa naman to, no? Pwede naman magkapalit kayo. So, yan, no? One of you is still flirting with others, no? And I don't know if not serious with the relationship or not serious with those who are with those na pina-flirt niya, right? No? So, let's see. So, what else, no? I don't know if some of you ay alam na ito, no? Or basta vice versa naman to, right? No? So, nahulog. So, ano ito? I want more of your energy, no? So, yeah, no? So, this person is maybe with this not serious is really not serious with you, a fire sign, no? Or vice versa again, no? So, may kailangan lang siya sa'yo, that's why, no? So, maybe ikaw din ay tingin niya sa iyo ay flirting lang, no? For some of you. But then if he or she is still staying, no? And with connection pa rin sa inyo, no? So, because may kailangan lang siya, no? Maybe you are the provider, no? So, may nakukuha siya sa iyo, fire sign, no? So, or ikaw ay fire sign, may nakukuha ka sa person mo, no? That's why ay hindi mo siya hinihiwalayan, no? Something like that, no? So, may gamitan na nangyayari dito, no? So, for some of you, no? Fire sign. And then, 'di ba? I like hooking up with multiple partners, no? So very ano talaga to, toxic ang relationship nyo, no? With this person, no? With this cards, no? So ginagamit lang kayo, no? Or kung sino man, no? So take what's resonate lang mga fire sign, no? So meron ditong gamitan na nangyayari, right? No? So and then yan 'no, hindi talaga seryoso ang isa 'no, nagho-hooking up pa rin siya with other persons 'no, multiple partners pa 'no. So maybe, ito na rin ang nalaman niyo 'no, for some of you I think is ano, it happened already 'no, nalaman niyo na and then you are with separation na rin 'no. You are in separation na with this person, no? So, yeah, kung ganun man ay good for you, fire sign, no? So, dapat lang na hindi na talaga magtagal yung mga ganitong relationship because it's ano, no? It's a very toxic relationship, no? So, masakit lang sa ulo, masakit sa maybe sa bulsa rin, no? Kasi may nakukuha lang siya, something like that, kaya pala siya nakikipagrelasyon sa'yo. But then, kung ano yung nakukuha niya, siguro ay sinishare niya pa with multiple partners, no? Sobrang manggagamit itong person na ito, no? So, dapat lang nahiwalayan niyo na ito, fire sign, no? So, yeah, sana nahiwalayan nyo na to, no? For some of you na hindi pa, ay please hiwalayan nyo na before na magsisi pa kayo sa huli, right? No? So, wag na nyo hayaan na gamitin kayo ng tao na ito, no? So, hindi magandang karelasyon to, no? It's a very toxic person, no? And for some of you, you deserve much better, no? You deserve more than, no, of this person, no? So, better to turn your back with this person, right? No? So, yeah. Ito yung sitwasyon ng for some of you, fire sign, no? Take what's resonate lang for you, no? Kung sino lang ang makaka-relate dito. And let's see, anong message or advice for you ni universe, no? Kuha tayo ng 2 cards for you, fire sign, no? Tingnan natin. Anong message or advice for you, fire sign, ni universe ng ating God, right? No? So, tingnan natin. Anong meron? So, you have this Violet Duchess, or what is this? Stifled. I don't know kung ano tama yung bored and stuck, no? So, for some of you, no? So, maybe, ito yung, ang nakikita ko rito, whoever the person na, kung sino man yung person na toxic, is ito yung kanyang attitude, no? Bored siya, no? Kumbaga, wala siyang kasiyahan sa sarili niya. That's why he or she is looking for something adventurous, exploring, no? No time to be serious in life, no? More on playing, no? So for some of you na may ganitong personality or may ganitong person, no? So ang sinasabi ni universe na dapat mas kilalanin yung mabuti kung sino man yung mga pinagkakatiwalaan yung person, right? No? Kasi marami dyan ay mapagpanggap lang. Sa umpisa ay magaling, but then, kapag nakuha na yung loob nyo, ayan na, makikita nyo na yung totoong ugali, right? No? So, yung pala, may kailangan lang pala sa inyo. That's why he or she is staying with the relationship, no? Because may benefits siya nang nakukuha from you, no? So yan, no? So dapat dito ay kilalaning mabuti ang isang person before settling down, before making commitments, no? Right? And then the other one is Angel de los Muertos, or transition to the spirit realm, no? So for some of you, I think what I can see here is universe is saying na it's time for you, a fire sign, to have this more deeper connection with God, no? With the Holy Spirit, right? No? So maybe you are lacking, or whoever must hear this, no? So sinasabi ng ni universe for you is to have more deeper connection with God, no? With the Holy Spirit, with the universe, right? Maybe some of you you are always praying, but then there is no connection, no, with the universe, no. Yeah, most of us kasi, ako minsan may nakikita rin ako, may mga tao akong kilalang ganyan, no. So, yung mahilig magdasal, mahilig magsalita, God bless, Lord, thank you, something like that, no. Every detail sinasabi, vocally, no. So, talagang nagsasalita, hindi siya nagdadasal sa kanyang sarili, but then yung nagsasabi siya ng talagang bino-voice out niya talaga na, Lord, thank you, something like, but then, if you are really, but then once I observe that person, no, while saying those words, nakikita ko, ay hindi siya connected with the heart, no? Sinasabi lang niya, but then, hindi connected sa kanyang puso. Hindi galing sa puso yung pagsasabi, no? Something like that, no? So, kasi madali lang naman magsalita ng words, eh. Whatever comes out sa ating mouth, is madali lang magsalita, but then, it's hard to say words within our heart, right? No, kung sino lang makaka-resonate, no. So for some of you, no. So yeah, ayun yung nakikita ko rito na message ni universe, no. So for some of you, fire sign, sabi ni universe na to have deeper connection, to have heart-to-heart connection with the universe, with God, with the Holy Spirit, no? Kung ano man religion nyo, ano mang beliefs nyo, no? So, kung sino man yung pinaniniwalaan nyo, have a deeper connection, no? So, hindi niya kasi nararamdaman yung pagdadasal nyo, right? For some of you lang, fire sign, no? So, yeah, that's it for you, no? So, I hope may mga naka-resonate dito and yeah, so wala namang I hope na walang ma-offend, no? So binabasa lang naman natin yung cards, no? So maybe someone must hear this, no? So this is a message for someone out there, no? So yeah. So and kung may nakakilala kayo na nakikita nyo na nagdadasal but then ay hindi naman tao sa puso, maybe please guide that person, no? So yeah, kasi that is pretending, no? It's not being honest, no? Within herself, right? Kasi hindi ka totoo na nagdadasal. So you are not being true to yourself, right? No? So yeah, that's it, no? So I hope na sana lahat tayo ay mas okay lang, lahat tayo bawat sinasabi natin is have this no, yung every words coming out sa ating mouth, no, sana ay hindi lang sa bunganga natin nanggagaling, but then within our heart, no? Kasi kapag ang heart natin ginagamit natin kapag nagsasalita tayo, no? With the mind, no? So balance dapat, heart and mind, mas maganda yung outcome, mas maganda yung deliver, mas maganda yung meaning ng sinasabi natin. Right? And mas damang-dama mo and also ng person na kausap mo, right? Magkakaroon ng sense kapag you are connecting with your heart and with your mind and heart, right? May sense yung labas ng words, something like that, no? So, yeah. So, again, no, kung sino lang makaka-relate rito, no? So yeah, basta, always, pray lang kay God, whatever, no? And whatever obstacle, pagsubok man ang dumaan sa buhay nyo, have faith lang, no? Maniwala kayo sa sarili nyo na kaya nyo yan, no? So, and of course, keep a strong faith kay God, no? And also, again, I have a deeper connection, heart-to-heart connection with God, no? So, siguro for some of you ay hinihintay ni God to have this heart-to-heart talk, heart-to-heart conversation with you, fire sign, no? Maybe there is something else, no? Between the two of you, or between you and with the universe, no? Right? No? So, yeah, that's it for you, fire sign, no? So, God bless you all and thank you, fire signs.